goddamn shots, man.
Yeah, my trigger finger sore.
I came in first, buddy.
No, you didn't. Hello, everybody. How are you? Happy New Year. We made it. I'm gonna keep it 100. New Year, same me. Hey, if you weren't fucking with me last year, don't expect me to change this year. You can X me out. But anyway, so yeah, I'm coming into this new year with a new habit. I drink Monsters like on a daily. I'm addicted to this energy drink. I've never had an addiction before. I just bought like a 12, it's a 12 case for $21.99, I believe. I ain't never had a habit. Them energy drinks are not cheap. Well, they kind of cheap sometimes, because they always have a deal on them. For real, for real. It's always a 2 for something. And I grab them. Yup, sure do. But anyway, I think I'm about to go to the movie theater. I don't feel like going back home. I initially just stopped at Walgreens just to get some. My OBGYN, we decided that I should do some kind of birth control to regulate my periods. I have a weird cycle. So I got the rings. TMI. I got the rings that go inside your vagina. So I'm going to try that. See how that goes. I don't know how I feel about that. At first I was thinking I was just going to do the pill, but she was like, if you don't take it on time every day, it'll mess it up. I'm like, oh no, I don't need that in my life. So she said that the ring, it'll, like, you keep it in for 3 weeks, and then on the last week of the month, or on the 4th week, you take it out, and I should have a period. Unfortunately, I got it on January. This is my birthday month, and I will not be doing it this month. So yeah, and I'm supposed to go back, and she's supposed to ask me how it's been working. Like, what is it, January? She gave it to me in December, so December, January, February. Oh, sometime in March I go back. So really, I'm only gonna be telling her about 1 month, because I didn't do it the month she gave it to me. I'm definitely not gonna do it this month. So yeah, but I do hope it works for me. Oh yeah, that's all I got going on. I'm gonna go to this movie theater and relax and enjoy me. Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Fancy. Wild cherry and purple.
Let's not invite Chuck.
Whoa! Sherry struggles on conference calls, but he's such a dedicated employee.
I believe my suffer.
Hey, Jacques.
Join us.
Some strong winds. We're not usually ones that like to toot our own horn, but we're happy to let others do it.
with his stories, and it looks like
What is
he's
this,
gonna be able to
cheese?
tick both boxes with his latest movie, Knock at the Cabin.
Singapore looks like a very important opportunity.
It's based on the Paul Tremblay novel, but Tremblay has said that even
Okay.
I'm about to, okay, come here then. Okay. Come here.
Tell you something. Let me tell you.
Wait. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something.
Cry. No reason. Just be crying. Come.
What did you do? Nothing.
Absolutely.
You just
I
bullshit.
ain't crying. No, I cut it off. This is what you should be scared of. I don't know how to use these kind.
Look, we just using what's in the. Oh, them some fingernail clippers. Come on.
How, Sway? How do I use? Oh, y'all see that? I was like, okay, but that's like that. But then if you look it up like that, it comes. Come on.
You got the camera on you while you was doing money.
Yeah.
Watch yourself.
Okay. Go ahead though. Okay. Do you want me to cut your nails or do you want them long?
Cut them, please.
Okay. I'm so nervous. I never cut nobody else's. All right. I see why they be having their glasses on. I'm finna definitely put my glasses on. Lord.
She need glasses too.
Blonde as a donut. Can you please get my glasses out the
She
kitchen?
said blind as a donut. She ain't had nothing better to say.
What are you?
I'm donut.
Yeah, right there. They got the blind as a donut.
What? Bats. They say.
It's a bad. Donut's blind. I said Donut's blind. Look at you. You threw me all shit. Blind as a donut.
Hell yeah. I don't know. I can't see nothing.
Absolutely.
No eyeball.
Nope.
All right, good job, Treese.
Yeah. I'm still thinking that's gonna be in my head rent free. Blind as a donut. I would use that. I was like, oh, girl, let me put my glasses on. Blind as a donut. Damn. Oh, come on.
Compensation for it, so they're not going to.
Okay, look what I did.
When you're trying to file them and shape them for you to fit yourself.
I feel like it's on there.
So,
Goody.
okay, so you can shape this one.
I'm just gonna get this file together.
With the hybrid gel on the formed nail, and then we can compare the differences. Let me just paint the base coat on here.
What's your thoughts on the BBC thing and the fetish shows on the show?
I understand this. Me personally, I don't like being referred to as that. It's kind of disrespectful.
Having felt fetishized himself in the past,
Some bullshit.
So they got me working over here in the ceramics room today. I usually work in the warehouse, but since the normal staff is gone, I'm in here for the first time, learning how they work over here. And I was like, let me do something. And look at me, I'm painting. Okay, I'm back. I just didn't want to record while the clients were in here. Yeah, I ain't missed too much of nothing. I had accidentally fucked up, but I had got some of this brown on my tea and I wanted it to be pink. So I spent like 20 minutes scrubbing that off. But I made it. I did it. Somebody called your phone and then called this phone. I think it was Tasha. It sounded like Tasha. Was I right?
Yup.
Yay, I know her voice.
Get it off of me. What you do with TikTok, YouTube?
YouTube. I probably put music over it anyway because I'm not talking. Did you see Sleep? Oh shit. She gonna be mad at you.
No, it's okay. Actually, I'm glad it came out like that. It was hurting. I'm just gonna let the shit dry now.
Yeah, I think she came in here to check and see if we flipped it.
Yeah, we didn't flip it, not yet. But I just hope that it finishes up before I leave it today. Because it's still pretty wet.
Mm-hmm.
I really like this.
You like what? The duck? Oh, Jacob came in and said he wanted to send that to his grandpappy.
Well, he's gonna have to get his sauce work and send it to him.
Yeah, that's what Sweet told him.
I can't get Jason nothing.
I may lie to you. Oh, you want me to. Okay.
I like the little granny too.
What granny? Oh, wow.
Mother Goose.
Mother Goose. What do you say when you answer this phone? You say ceramics? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Keep on. I'm gonna run home like a little kid and be like, guess what I did today? Damn it. Every time I think I'm done, it's another mother freaking step. What time is it? You can buy me diamond. You can buy me love. I gotta use the bathroom. Baby, you know I'm worth it.
But I know they need it, but we're not supposed to exhaust these molds like this. What I mean by exhaust, they're not
Keep
supposed
using
to,
it back to back. So what? She got an order or something that's in?
Yeah, from what I say, they need 6 of them.
Oh, what this one? Where you get this toothpick from?
Right there.
Oh, wow, shuck it, buddy. Quack, quack. Okay, let's try to do the eyeball.
A whole day on a little teddy bear. Yeah. Okay. Where do I put it?
You wash them.
The teddy bear. Sit
You
it
can sit it right there on that, in that room.
in the room. Okay.